The buying mistake is choosing one shoe cleaner for every material. That leaves you with the wrong format, missing tools, or unnecessary upkeep. Choose by shoe material, cleaning routine, and tool burden. 4. Multi-shoe quick cleaning option. Got several shoe types sharing one cleaning shelf? I'd pick Grandma's Secret for routine touch-ups when you want one straightforward formula. It works across a variety of shoe types, so you won't need a different bottle for every casual pair. The pleasant scent also makes regular cleaning less of a chore. But this isn't a complete scrubbing setup because there's no brush included. You'll need a separate tool whenever surface wiping isn't enough. It also isn't effective on laces. So skip it if lace cleaning or an all-in-one kit matters more than broad shoe compatibility. 4. Portable sneaker wipe option. Need something that lives in a bag or car? I'd choose WipeMate when convenience beats versatility and you mainly touch up sneakers. The compact wipes create little mess and suit non-porous sneaker materials and rubber soles. That format also avoids storing a bottle, brush, and cloth. But the narrow material fit is the whole trade-off. These aren't effective on laces, and non-white shoes may experience color bleeding. They're also limited to sneakers rather than a mixed footwear collection. Skip them if you want one cleaner for leather shoes, fabric pairs, or broader home use. For controlled foam and brush cleaning bundle. This is the setup I'd grab when precise application matters more than absolute simplicity. Jason Mark pairs a controlled foam consistency with an included brush, giving you more direction than a disposable wipe. It also works across a range of shoe types and dries quickly, which suits a planned cleaning session. Now the catch, you still need your own towel. The method involves spraying foam onto that towel before wiping stains, so the bundle isn't fully self-contained. Skip it if you expect every required cleaning tool inside the package or want a truly grab-and-go format. For regular leather upkeep option. If leather dominates your closet, I'd rather store one upkeep product than separate cleaners and conditioners. Leather CPR combines both jobs, making it a practical fit for regular maintenance and tighter storage. You work it into the material with a cloth, so this is a deliberate grooming routine rather than a quick wipe. But don't buy it expecting cosmetic restoration. It won't buff away deep scratches, and that limitation matters if visible marks are your main concern. Skip it when you need a portable disposable format, maintain mostly non-leather shoes, or want to conceal deeper wear. For Suede Nubuck Care Kit. Suede needs a more specific routine, which is why I'd choose Leather Honey for a dedicated collection. The kit brings together a mark-targeting eraser, a small bristle brush, and a foaming cleanser. It also includes a water-repellent spray, keeping the care pieces organized in one setup. That completeness creates more work, though. The process is more involved than using wipes or a single bottle, and the formula has a sticky texture. Skip it if you mainly own smooth leather or sneakers. I'd also pass if simple storage and the fewest possible steps matter most. Choose Grandma's Secret for mixed shoe touch-ups, WipeMate for portable sneaker wiping, and Jason Mark for controlled brushing. Leather CPR simplifies leather upkeep, while Leather Honey earns its storage space for dedicated Suede and Nubuck care. Before buying, match the formula to your shoe material. Then check whether you'll need a brush, towel, or separate lace cleaning method. Prices and formats change, so check before you buy. I'd default to Grandma's Secret for a varied shoe shelf. Switch to the specialist formats when portability, leather, or suede defines your routine. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.